Hey everyone, welcome back to fixGenie. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Roblox on a Lenovo laptop. Step 1. Click the Start button. Type Roblox in the search bar. When Roblox appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again to confirm, and your Roblox will be deleted. And now, if you want to delete Roblox completely from your laptop, then follow other steps. Step 2. Delete leftover files. Now press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data and press Enter. If you see a folder named Roblox, right-click it and select Delete. Next, press Windows plus R again. Type %app data and press Enter. If there's a Roblox folder here, delete it as well. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to fixGenie for more Lenovo laptop tutorials, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss a new video.